Hello everyone and welcome to Simply Made Homestead. Now today I want to talk to you about sexing your quail. We've had a lot of people have been really interested in our quail videos, so I wanted to continue that and add a little more information that may help you in your journey on raising quail. Now some of our quail are easily sexable because they are feather sexable, which is really easy, and I'm trying to get to that point where they're all feather sexable, but I'm getting better at it. So I don't know, because I've got some others, the pastels, that I really love, and they aren't feather sexable, so I don't know if I'm gonna go all the way or not to switching over. But all right, push that gate too. Oh. All right, now as you can see right here, you see her? She's one of our young ones. She's 8 weeks old today. Now, on a lot of the, like the Egyptian and the Italian, those breeds, they are feather sexable. And you see how she has all those little spots all the way across her chest right there? That lets you know that she is a girl. Aren't you a girl? Yes, you're so cute. Oh. All right, and now, you can tell this one's a little boy because he's a little feistier. They're always a little wigglier, but that you can't tell by that. But see this one? See this guy? See? He's got the different colored feathers, but he has that rosy gold chest, and he doesn't have all those dark spots. And his head. You see how his head is darker? Because this is the same breed, male and female. And that's how you can tell. Let me see if I can get one of each so you can look at them together. Hold on there, little guy. Come here, little girl. Oh. Okay. All right, come on now. Settle down. You just pooped on my foot. Not cool. Okay, here we go. Stop. Okay. All right. So can you see the difference? This one's a male and this one's the female. Those are the feather sexable quail. Okay. All right, now over here we have some Rosettas, which are not easily, they are not feather sexable, is which is what I'm trying to say. You can see this one, and she has some white on her, but that's just her coloring. This one could be, I know it's a girl because it's in the bottom rack, but I'm gonna show you how to be able to tell. That's why we separated male up top and females down bottom, so that they can, until we get to the point where we put them over in the other smaller pens and we figure out who we want to go with who, okay? So that's why this one, she's over here. But anyway, to be able to tell, you need to get a hold of their feathers, their wings. And now when you look over here, oh gosh, she just threw up. Yep, sometimes they throw up on you. But see how she has a long, looks like she's about ready to lay an egg there. But do you see how it's just a slant across there? Here's her little feathers. And she's very full. Looks like she's getting ready to lay an egg. But you see it's just this long, horizontal slant there. So that's a girl. All right, now here's another one. Right here, you see, it's one of the Rosettas. It doesn't have any of the white on them, but there's no way to tell just by looking at it whether it's a boy or a girl. All right, so we're gonna turn it over. Now, you can see the little fuzzy tail there, and then there's his little private part right there. See that? You see how it's more round? It looks a lot alike, but the big difference is, see, you've got your tail and then this big, looks like it's swollen, big poofy part right there. You can look at that and you can automatically know that is a boy. But if you mash that poofy part, you see that foam that comes up? That's, sure enough, that one right there is a boy. And that's how you can tell. All right, guys, I hope that's helped you out in your venture to raise quail, your own quail in your yard or your homestead. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. And if videos like this are helpful to you, please hit that subscribe button, and you can ring that bell for notifications so you won't miss a thing. If you haven't seen any of our other quail videos on building pens or installing feeders or anything like that, be sure and check those out and share us with your friends and family and along social media. It's a huge help to us and a big old thumbs up. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I really do appreciate you very much. And until next time, take care and God bless.